So, where would telerobotics apply to water blasting? What if the term TeleJETTING was applied to, say, cleaning a heat exchanger? So I want to take this time to introduce you to someone. His name is Gordon East. Gordon, are you there? Everyone wave hi to Gordon. He can't see you. So today, I am not going to perform this demonstration for you. Gordon here on the screen is going to show you guys how to smart index in IBC5. Gordon, let's start off. Can you smart index down to the next row for us, please? Sweet. Gordon, can you please feed the lances in and out for us? Awesome. Gordon, can you please smart index to the next 5 rows to be clean? Good deal. So what we want to show you guys here is what we're introducing. It's called our smart barrier. So what's the common way that people rope off or disregard anyone trying to go into a hazard zone? Barricade tape, exactly. And how well does barricade tape, how well is it going to keep Donald from charging into the blast zone if he would want to? It's not going to stop a darn person. However, with our smart barrier, we're using sensors that communicate from post to post up to distances of 200 feet to create this virtual perimeter around this tool that will be performing the clean. Should this barrier be breached at any given second, we have an electronic signal back to the IBC, instant dump of water, and instant kill of any function forward, in and out, left, right, up and down automatically. So what we're going to do, Bill's going to fire up the pump. Gordon's still working remotely. He's going to pressure up wirelessly the Hamilton pump up the pressure. He's going to clean a couple tubes for us. We're going to smart index. And then I am going to do my best Oscar performance, and I'm going to play the idiot who wants to go into the blast zone. Gordon was not hiding somewhere in the parking lot. He's not in our booth inside the expo or at our Airbnb. Gordon never came to Louisiana from Ohio. Gordon is sitting in his living room 1,034 miles away, operating an IBC5 in front of you guys. how can telejetting or telerobotics be applied realistically to water blasting? In an industry, it's been an issue that no one wants to talk about but needs to be addressed. It's hard to find good work for water blasting. It's hard to find intelligent, competent individuals who are willing to put themselves in our atmospheres, in our application to perform these everyday cleans. By being able to decentralize good, competent end users, we can virtually relocate them through networking, through communications, through mixed reality, and through automated robots to be able to become more efficient, to equalize workloads, to increase productivity, and ultimately be even safer.